Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you what you can make from a cheap glue gun. First we need to take it apart. We discard all internal parts and only keep the case. Next, use pliers to break off all protruding parts. Now we take a direct current to direct current boost converter and attach it to the case using double-sided tape. Also, attach a charging board for 18650 batteries. And of course the battery itself. Make a small indentation in the case handle. We take a small tactile button, apply a little hot glue and insert it into the indentation. You also need to make a small indentation where you glued the rods together. Next we need a toggle switch with 2 contact sets, which must also be attached to the case. Next we will need a power connector, to which you need to solder 2 wires in advance and install it into the hole where the power cord used to go. Now take a small piece of wood and glue it to the case. Do the same with the second part, but this time glue rubber onto the wood. Now we need a small motor with a gearbox. Apply a drop of hot glue to it and glue it to the wooden piece. Now we need to solder everything according to the diagram you see on the screen. This is what we should have in the end. Then set the step-up board voltage to 6 volts. That's it, now we need to assemble our device. To be continued. Continuation. Next we need to attach a small chuck to the motor shaft. This is the tool we've made. To clarify, this isn't a mini drill, it's a small screwdriver. Of course, it won't screw screws into wood, but it's quite suitable for disassembling all sorts of small devices. The tool fits very comfortably in your hand, and it's easy to charge. Well, now let's move on to testing our tool. As you can see, it handled the task well. If you liked this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone.